Yo, it's raining. Oh crap, no. What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of Jet Hunter. This episode is called Rainy Day. So here is Jet Hunter. What up, y'all? My name is Jet Hunter. Welcome to a brand new episode. Rainy Day. So as you guys see, it's really rainy. I hate the rain. I'm gonna walk outside, y'all. We're going outside, boom, boom, boom. Fun for your life, y'all. So now here is my twin brother. Hey guys, so as you guys know, it is lots of rainy. So I try to think of an idea for this episode. So I thought rainy day. So yeah. Whew. So you feel great. I'm trying to figure out what should episode 3 be about. So I get a week to decide that. So, it's kind of boring out here. I know this episode is kind of boring. That's all I got. So here's Jet Hunter to finish the episode. What up, y'all? So I'm here in this episode. I think I just heard the... Oh crap. That was what? See you guys later. Peace out, y'all.